Howdy, Wall Street Willie. What is an ACH transfer? An ACH transfer is a safe and convenient way to move money electronically from one person to another through their banks or credit unions. This is done using the Automated Clearinghouse or ACH network, and no physical money is exchanged. It's used for bill payments, direct deposits from employers, transferring money to friends and family, and making recurring deposits into an individual retirement account, IRA, a brokerage account, a college savings account, etc. How does an ACH transfer work? To initiate an ACH transfer, you need to provide the recipient's details to your bank. This includes their name and account number, their bank's routing number, the amount you wish to transfer, etc. Your bank verifies that there is enough money in your account and then uses the ACH network to transfer the money to the recipient's account. ACH transfers are not instantaneous. They are processed in batches at set times during the day. The transfer can take anywhere from 1 to 3 business days. If you're in a rush, you can request same-day processing for an additional fee. Are there different types of ACH transfers? There are mainly 2 types of ACH transfer: direct deposits and direct payments. With direct deposits, as the name suggests, you receive money into your account via the ACH network. It could be your paycheck from your employer, government benefits through Social Security, tax refund from the government, etc. They are also referred to as ACH credit or push transactions, since the money is pushed into your account. With direct payments, you send money from your account via the ACH network. They are also referred to as ACH debit or pull transactions, since the money is pulled from your account. For instance, when you set up automatic bill payment or monthly mortgage payment, the company you are paying money to can pull the money from your account. How much do ACH transfers cost? Most banks offer ACH transfers for free, but if you need to expedite the ACH transfer, you can be charged an additional fee of around $10. Also, if you initiate the transaction via phone instead of online, there could be a fee. Similarly, if you don't have sufficient funds in your account and the transaction fails, you can be charged a non-sufficient funds or NSF fee ranging from $25 to $35 for each failed attempt. What are the advantages and disadvantages of ACH transfers? That's a great question, Super Cooper. Watch the video on your screen to find out. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.